Again, how are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematics teacher, Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Again with you, okay, is here to clarify for you, let's say, a whole mathematic free online revision for learners in Sultan and Sultan Davam, and those who are in grade 12 and those who are seeking for, let's say, passing this common final exam in math, okay, and those who are, let's say, ready for understanding and doing his trying by themselves the previous questions, okay, of mathematics, okay, of final exam, okay. So here again is your pioneers in methods with you, the Tunisian. Okay, Murad Sultan is here to make mathematics easy for you, and he will try to help you, let's say, reasoning, okay, especially I'm going to advise you for reasoning questions. It's very important. If it is given, for example, to, let's say, the left hand side should be, let's say, proved to the value that is written on the right hand side. You choose which one you are going to start with, the left hand side or right hand side, both of them. If you just show one, let's say, positive version, or you show, let's say, the negative version, and you obtain the correct answer, so it's enough to that you answer the question, okay. And let's say, in this free online revision, it remains only 5 questions. Then I'm going to send you the whole revision that we made. Okay, make sure that you are very intelligent. Make sure that if you let's say, if you are going to revise daily, okay, I think the mathematics and the final exam especially will be easy for you. Okay, the more you practice, the less you will face problems. Okay, and yes, and the exam will be very easy. I promise you that it's gonna be very easy. Okay, and I will try to prepare for you a mock final exam. Okay, within 3 days, something like that, or more than that, or before, let's say, starting the exam 1 day, 2 days, something. Okay. Now, learners, we continue. We have 2 questions. I'm going to try to solve them for you, and then I'm going to. Hello, teacher. How are you? How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Hello. I just see your comment. Okay. Okay. I'll go to. Okay. Hello. Thank you. I just, let's say, saw your message, but I didn't open the black towards to reply you, but I'm here to tell you that I'm here to explain, at least for those who are looking for revising. This is everything for everything. Okay, hello teacher, how are you? Well, I don't know where to write to answer you, but with time I will open a chat. Okay, I don't know where can I find the chat. Maybe this one. Okay. Ah, yeah, found it. Hello, hello, Tag. How are you? Hi there. Hi. How are you doing? Okay. Hi, my dear brother, correct. Okay, maybe it will be only 15 minutes. Then I should leave this okay this only free online revision, because I'm going to my kids, and they will go to 18. Okay, thank you. Okay, okay. Hi, my dear brother. Okay, now I open this blog for chatting. Okay, those who have questions, your mathematics teacher is here. Just let's focus now on the question. Okay, the question. First of all, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so that all the learners can, let's say, can be guided okay, and can be and this can be, let's say, benefit from this free online revision because it's very important, okay, for them, okay, and make sure that these questions are 100% they will come in the final exam. So try to train yourself. Okay, now I'm going to insert, let's say, a rectangle, my best rectangle, where I should show my work here. The full learners, you can see that the question is dealing with the period of a trig function like cosine, cosec, sine, tangent, cotangent. Okay, I will now learners, okay, I will add, let's say, first of all, something for you, okay, like that. I will set equation, okay, equation, okay. First of all, period, if I'll just write if y equal a cosine, okay, between parentheses bx plus c plus negative, or okay, plus negative c whatsoever, okay. Therefore also cosine, or also cosine, sine, okay, cosec whatever, okay, or y equal, y details hidden when you are sharing the scale, okay, y equal, okay. I'll see the screen, what happened. I already shared this one, yes, stop, yeah, it's works, okay, okay. So you are really the best teacher. Thank you, thank you, thank you, dear. My dear, you already know that I'm here to collect smart minds, especially those who love mathematics. Okay, and I'm planning, me and Mr. Amin, to create a website, let's say, for which I'm going to start doing my researches online and started solving polynomial to the power n, okay, online. Okay, this is my purpose and this is the target that I should reach. Thank you. Okay, now I go back to the question. Okay, we told that sine, or sine, okay, cosec and secant. So the period of this function, the period is, I will write p is equal to, I am going to use a fraction here. It will be 2 pi, in general, 2 pi over the absolute value of b, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, this one, okay, over the absolute value of, let's say, the coefficient, okay, this one, okay, it can be negative, so it should be positive, make it positive. Therefore, learners, this is the period, okay, this is the period. Therefore, you can see that cosec, it's an even function, in fact. So therefore, the period is that, I will just erase this d, is no need, okay. Therefore, now I'll just write the period of this trig function, in fact, is equal to that, okay, equal to pi over the absolute value of 2 times, because you can expand this one, okay, it will be, or I will write it, y is equal 6 times cosec of 2x between parentheses, 2 times x minus 2 pi, minus 2 times pi, then I should close this parenthesis. Therefore, the period of this ik, it will be, in fact, equal, this is A that I'm looking for, this is B that I'm looking for, therefore it will be exactly, I will color this one, so the answer is, it will be 2 times pi over the absolute value of 2, it's positive, so I'll just write it here, is 2 exactly, and this one is equal to pi, 2 over 2 is 1, therefore 1 over, let's say, 1 over 1 is 1 times pi is pi. Therefore, learners, the correct answer is this, okay, or is it the first one, the option, okay. If you want to add something, learners, for the maximum value of the f of x, you should, let's say, set 2 times x minus pi equals 0. Therefore 6 cosec of 0. So you are going to write x minus pi should be equal to pi over 2. Okay, because cosec is 1 over sine, and can't, let's say, find 1 over 0. It's undefined, and so it will be the maximum value it will be 6, and the minimum value will be negative 6. Okay, so therefore it's clear for you this particular value, and this is the period. Learners, don't forget that is written like that always. Okay, now we move to the next part. The question is that is telling you that if first of all, okay, I already pasted this one. So sine of theta equals 3 over 5. Therefore, learners, and the angle theta here is between 0 and pi over 2. Try to find sec of theta. Sec of theta is the reciprocal function of cosine. Okay, therefore, learners, it's clear that okay, I will just write the function as it is. I will just write sine of theta, sine theta, sine theta. The equation here, it will be yes, like that. Sine of theta, in fact, is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, 3 over 5. This is 3 over 5. Okay, so then theta should be between 0 and pi over 2. Then find sec of theta. You already know, learners, that just to cancel this. You already know that sine square plus cosine square. I'll just write like that. Oh, sorry. No, not this. I'll just write learners sine square of theta. Okay, sine square of theta. Okay, of the angle theta, the best angle theta you are here. Okay, plus cosine square of theta. Okay, plus cosine square of theta always equal to 1. I will use this first trig identity to solve the question. Cosine square of the angle theta equal always what, learners? Is always equal to 1. I will use this fact. Okay, I will just write, or therefore cosine theta is equal to I will use this one. Okay, copy. Then, learners, I can write that cosine theta is equal, okay, cut this. I will make cosine theta, okay, is equal to 1 minus sine square of theta. But you can see that that sine of theta is 3 over 5. Then I'm going to raise this to the power 2. Therefore, I will make like that, which is equal 1 minus between parentheses. Then I'm going to square sine or raise sine of theta to the power 2, which is 3 over 5, and this is a square. Means that you are going at the same time squaring 3 and squaring 5. Okay, squaring 5. This one, learners, is in fact equal to equal 1 minus I can just write this one, no need for the next. Okay, it will be, learners, 9. I will just write it here 9, and this is 25. Okay, therefore 1 minus 9 over 25 should be equal to 16 over 25. 16 over 25. Therefore, learners, you can see that cosine of theta is equal to what? Equal, I'll just write this again. Then I'm going to paste it down. Okay, therefore, learners, I will just erase all of this because I'm not needing. Okay, already just erase this one. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll just write now cosine square, or I will make like that. Oh, no problem. I will do like that whatsoever. Okay, cosine square is equal to what? Equal in fact to 16 over 25. Therefore, learners, we have two values. I will just make cos theta is equal, therefore, okay, if and only if. Therefore, cosine of the angle theta is equal either 4 over 5 or okay, other, okay, equal in fact to 4 over 5, okay, just like that, 4 or negative, okay, negative 4 over 5, or this is 4, or let's say, or equal, or cosine theta equal, okay, I'll make this again, but should be positive. So we have two values in fact. But you should, let's say, discuss which value it's. This is cosine. Okay, now we are going to find cosec. Okay, so cosine of theta is negative in the second and the third quadrant. So cosine of theta equal negative 4 over 5. No need. It will be cancelled. This one, it's rejected. I will make with red, meaning rejected. Okay, and yes, like that, this is rejected. So the correct answer is cosine theta equal 4 over 5. This is I will make with color green, means this is the correct answer. This is the key that will give me let's say a sec, or you can see that sec and cosec are a reciprocal function. Therefore, sec of theta equal 1 over cosine of theta, and which is equal to 5 over 4. Therefore, I'll just write like that. I will, yes, I will just make this is equivalent to, or this is identical, equal to that sec of theta, sec of the angle theta, in fact, is the reciprocal of 4 over 5, which is 5 over 4. Okay, theta, okay, equal, we told 5 over 4. I should reverse this one. Okay, okay, copy and paste here, then reverse it. It will be 5 over 4. Thank you for listening. Okay, it's enough today. I wish that I approximately give you the so many choices. Okay, this is learns in fact sec of theta is equal to 1 over cosine of theta, which is 1 over 4 over 5. Therefore, the 5 will comes up. Okay, it will be 5 over 4. So the correct answer here it will be A false, B false, C the correct answer, and this one is false also. Thank you for listening. I will just make I will yes, like that. Now, learners, okay, approximately it's clear for you. How can you figure out some questions like that? Okay, and yes, okay, and I hope yes. Hello, everything for everything. Yes, thank you. So, okay, thank you, my dear. Okay, then learners can post message to say comments. Okay, so okay. Exactly now. So, learners, I advise you to continue revising. Okay, the more you revise, the less you will meet problems, and through this free online revision, you will benefit 100%, and you will get ready for being proud of yourself, especially while doing mathematics. Okay, your mathematics teacher is always seeking for, let's say, explaining, let's say, so many things for you, or to answer to your questions that you didn't raise or you didn't ask. Okay, and if you have doubt, your mathematics teacher, the pioneers in methods, the Tunisian mathematical teacher is here. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Okay, and what else? Yes, let's say it's active now. This. Okay. I'll just go through. Okay, okay, okay. Now just check the channel YouTube. I'll go to my channel. Okay, current your channel is that. I'll go to live. Okay, so this one is your pioneers in methods, Murad Sultan Ezouidi. I'm really tending to start explaining my researches in mathematics, especially for the theorems and the theory that I discovered, okay, for solving polynomial to the power n whatsoever. Okay, this is the channel of your mathematics teacher. These all of these are very important. It's helpful. It's a helpful free online revision. Okay, thank you for listening, learners. Okay, what else? Yes. Okay, so this is learners the pioneers in methods, or make that pioneers methods, or just write the name of Mr. Murad Sultan is really HSM. H means the name of my mother, which is Hania, S the name of my father, which is Sultan, and M is this is Murad. Okay, thank you for listening, and I'll just tell you goodbye. Okay, first of all, I'm going to okay, this is I will say this one. hmm Then I'm going to okay. I will just now stop sharing. Okay, I will go back to streaming. Okay, then I'm going to end stream. Thank you for listening, and see you inshallah next time. Okay, your pioneers in methods is here to explain things for you. Bye bye.